Hello everyone, so today we are going to learn how to do multiplication in Stata, and we shall first browse to see which variable we are going to work with. To browse, you simply come under your command window and you type BR, then you enter. So after entering, you are right here on your data editor window, and we can see we have height in meters, and we also notice that it is a continuous variable, so we shall minimize. What we want to create is height squared, or height times height. So we come under our command window, we type generate. Generate is like creating, and its short form is GEN. You can write it in full, you can write it in short. What do you want to create or generate? We want to create height squared. And height squared is going to be equal to, we open brackets, and then we can, when we are calculating for height squared, it's simply height times height. So we want this height, and then we multiply it. To get the multiplication button on your keyboard, you simply press shift and the 8 button, so you get the multiplication sign. And then we also want to multiply it 2 times, which is height meters times height meters. So we shall bring it here the second time. So you can type this variable the way it appears in the variable window, or you can just put your cursor here and you simply come to the variable you want and you double click on it. Then we close brackets, then we enter. So after entering, since we don't have any red sign of failure, that means our variable height squared has been created. And when you even come to your variable window, it is right here. So you can as well browse to confirm. And then when you come to your data editor window after browsing, we can see that our variable height squared has been created. And if you're to confirm again, you can go to your calculator and put in 1.5 times 1.5. You will simply get 2.25. Thank you so much for listening. Like, share, subscribe.